How to deal with arthritis naturally. It is always a misconception that arthritis is prevalent to those older people. The fact is, arthritis is not just an age-related disease, that as you get old the more likely you will acquire it. This may be true, but it doesn't mean that the young ones are exempted. Arthritis affects people at any age. It is a rampant disease that described as inflammation of one or more joints. There are various types of arthritis. The most familiar is osteoarthritis. Others are rheumatoid, gout and pseudo-gout, septic arthritis, and juvenile arthritis. Aside from medications, arthritis can be managed naturally, such as 1. Exercise. It is commonly thought that exercise will exacerbate the pain caused by arthritis, but it is not. Simple walking, biking or swimming can help. 2. Cold compress and hot compress alternately. Cold compress for 15 minutes lessen joint swelling and inflammation. And hot compress after 30 minutes break from cold compress relaxes the muscle and promote blood flow. 3. Numerous herbs that can aid in the pain management of arthritis. Like boswellia, used as anti-inflammatory. Cherries for gout pain. Ginger also alleviates pain caused by arthritis. 4. Taking a deep low breath can help emotional aspect in pain management. 5. Taking natural supplements are also helpful, but this should be consulted to a physician, for it may interact with other medications you're taking. 6. Weight loss or maintaining proper weight is also helpful. Arthritis should be managed properly, for it is painful, disabling and affects the quality of life. If you want to learn more about arthritis, please visit www.worldsbestvitamins.com.